So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to download your document as a PDF file here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and name my document PDF file, and this is my masterpiece. Well, if you wanted to go ahead and save this and have it saved as a PDF, it's pretty simple. Go to the top left, press File, go down to where it says Download. Hover over top of it, then this option right here says PDF document. Go ahead and select that, choose where you want to save it to, and just kind of proceed that way. So it's a pretty simple way of getting this from a Word, or I guess not a Word document, but a Google Docs document. Once again, top left, File, Download, hover, PDF document, select it, and just kind of go from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can download this document as a PDF document or a PDF file here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.